So we had a bit of a issue this past couple weeks.
30, 60.
With the white Turbo Fox body. So we are en route to get that fixed. You okay? Yep. Be close enough. This is crazy.
You had too many protein shakes that day, huh?
I guess so, man. I mean, all right, so we made it here to Liberty Gears. Wasn't too bad of a trip. A lot of traffic on the way in. I'm gonna meet up here in a minute with my buddy Brad Carroll. We're gonna hopefully get it in there with the builder and get it torn apart. We took all the fluid out of it. It's just stuck. I don't know what happened. We're about to find out. All right, so if you guys aren't familiar what a face-plated transmission is, here at Liberty Gears, they actually modify the first, second, third, pretty much whatever gears you want. It's pretty much unsynchronized at that point. They take the synchronizer out of the transmission and they modify the transmission. We're gonna get an opportunity to see that right here inside Liberty Gears. So I'm here with Brad Carroll at Liberty Gears, and how we doing? We are here to get this transmission looked at. So he seems to think maybe that maybe roll pin or fork or something. Oh, look at all the TREMEC boxes. Be close enough. So we did that in 2019. Didn't you kind of put that together?
No, I think maybe
Terry
Donald
did Don do it?
819.
Look at all these gears, dude. This is all TREMEC and it's all of them, isn't it? Yep. Look at that. This is crazy.
I'm gonna take him around the shop, kind of show him everything, and then we'll throw it up on the bench.
I think you might have did this one in 819. Were you here in 819?
I was not.
Might have been Blake then.
20, 21.
That wasn't nice to it.
Okay, that's all right. We'll figure it out.
But it's not, I didn't get a bunch, there was no chunks in it.
Okay, that's a good start though.
We were coming through the 8th and I hit 3rd and I think I actually hit 5th.
Okay.
Whoops. It is though, it is guys. This is pretty awesome. Team Z. So this is the shop, huh?
Yep.
What are these like right here?
See our clutchless fans?
What are those?
Clutchless.
Clutchless?
Yep.
Some customer stuff? Pretty much all customer stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all stuff that we're making for production.
Damn.
The raise, turning gears and shafts and stuff.
And this is where they do like the lugs and stuff?
No, that happens in all the mills.
Over here?
Yep. You got one right there.
He's doing a lug right now. So basically, guys, there's a face plate. They pretty much take all the synchronizers out and they put a lug on the gear itself. I appreciate you taking me through here. What's this?
Those are going to be an adapter plate. I'm assuming these are probably like the Turbo 2 adapters, I think.
Turbo 2, you said?
Yeah, or a Bruno.
You're gonna make sure it's straight?
Yeah.
Checking the run out?
We're pressing on it with a manual press to get it within a certain tolerance or the next line.
That's cool, man. Everything's at work. All the stock.
Series line 3, series line 3.
What's he doing here?
This is hobbying a gear, so it's coming across and cutting it. So like he's making it's like a first gear for a clutchless.
For a first gear for like a clutchless, you said? And that's what like some of it looks like?
Yep, this is what they're waiting to get done in here.
What they actually are going to do is you're going to weld the fingers on there.
Nothing gets welded to this one. These are machined in to the clutchless transmission.
Okay, so on the back. And that's what that guy was doing over there.
Yeah.
What shaft is this for?
Be out of one of the clutch push main shafts.
So it's cutting you. Like,
Yeah, he's making that spline right there. So this will be like the pilot end of it, and this will be the output.
right. Looks like he's got it going on over here too. Just cutting some stock. Okay. Dude, these are real. These are all the race
These are
cars.
both Nicole's cars. This is one she ran for the last couple of years, and that's her new one.
Hello, Nicole. So what do you got going on here?
We were just checking. We were on Nitrous Pro Street, or Outlaw 632.
Yeah.
So I mean, you're pretty much stuck with your 632, and you're either single kit, two kits, or that's actually aspirated. So this
Right.
is your single kit combination.
That's awesome.
But yes, we were just checking it on the two-step earlier. We're going testing Thursday.
Okay. Well, good luck.
Yeah, I'm just putting the valve covers back on and getting it sealed up.
So all right, we just came back from the pro shop, is that or whatever they were, the race shop. That was really cool, dude.
Yeah.
So what he's putting together a 56 right there.
Face for the Magnum right there.
Sweet. See if he just puts it on he's got a milk crate apparatus. So I'm here with Donnie. He's actually putting together a face-plated XL, which is a really nice little piece right here. And this was a damaged or just a conversion, brand new conversion.
No, this is a brand new out of the box.
Out of the box TREMEC.
Yep.
Yeah, you can see here. Donnie's actually gonna bust open my transmission, and he's not very happy because we use shockproof lightweight, and it's literally, I mean, you see what it does. I mean, it does its job, don't it?
Yeah, it does its job, heck yeah.
Now, isn't that pretty common issue? That right there.
This pin right here.
Yeah. Now, do you have a upgrade to that? Or is it just a stock replacement?
We do not. Yeah, it's gonna be stock replacement. I haven't seen a whole lot of it.
Really? So it was just something that just happened?
Yeah, I don't know if there was like a.
So you
fluke
just
with
looked at it for
material.
2 seconds and figured it out.
We're not there yet. That's a different story.
Money!
That's best case,
Yeah,
right?
I'm just gonna put 100 here. And we're just gonna keep stacking them, right?
And the deeper you dive, the more
Yeah, the deeper we dive. Okay, there's another 100. This would be as bad as gambling.
And the one in the front is actually a specific length. Put
Okay.
a longer roll pin in there.
Right.
There's not clearance to get it out.
What did I break?
Oh yeah, you got a.
Did I get a gear?
Might be an interlock. Oh boy.
Not looking good.
Oh yeah, you weren't kidding.
Thanks, Donald. Yeah, I've seen worse. Speedo.
Okay.
2 spacers. Got your reverse gear.
The Torrington.
Look at the sync teeth. They're worn.
Yeah, I just muscled it in for a while.
Just give it.
just let it happen. So that's definitely cool.
You are in 5th gear right there.
I knew it. I knew it. What was that gear tooth that you just pulled out? Was that a gear tooth?
No, that was it. That was just a thrust washer on the back of 6th gear. He's like,
That's a $600 gear. Do you guys use Loctite?
Not actual Loctite, but it's
A form of it.
anaerobic.
No kidding. Instead of a gasket sealer.
Yeah.
That's better?
Oh, yeah, I like it.
yeah, I think we're the only people in the world that put a dog box or faceplate on a stock helical gear.
Helical gear.
Yep. So what that is not a straight cut gear. Helical. It doesn't kind of increase the thrust, the thrust load, because it pushes and pulls back and forth.
Correct.
But yeah, so it's kind of nice on the road because you have a quieter gear, whereas a straight cut gear is gonna make a ton of noise going down the road.
Right, right.
Whining. Yeah, the ring's cooked in 6th gear.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yep. That's from me.
Yeah. See all the heat.
Yep.
And I could show you a good one maybe.
You guys have rings here?
Yeah.
So that's bronze with...
Center bronze with carbon. We call this a hybrid.
That had to have happened when I was trying to take it down the track and
So I think he broke something and it was just walking on fifth gear.
Really?
And you got your sixth gear, your thrust washers. Well, it locates the interlock. Basically, the interlock gets held by these bolts.
Okay.
So locate the shift pin actuator.
Yeah, 287 is the first gear on that TPX.
Oh, you're good there.
Oh, that's not good. Damn it. I was kind of hoping it was...
That would be a cheap part.
That would be a digging. Keep digging. Milk crate.
Yeah, so we got the fuzz here. Something's broken.
No, that's not good.
Here goes. Oh, you broke the little piece I was thinking, but in a totally different way.
Do what?
You broke the shift selector, that finger that he showed you. See right here, if you look on the top.
So it was, that's the problem.
Yep, see this?
Yep.
That's what selects your shifts actually when the shift rail moves, and it's.
That's why it wouldn't come out of fifth.
Yep, you're in gear and it would not come out. Non-responsive basically.
Did I overship? Maybe I hit fifth and didn't hit third in the gate, and that's how I messed it up.
Oh, you just wanted me to touch the alien.
Yeah, it's alien blood, bro. Everybody shares.
That's
Do you
hard to
have
say.
these here?
Oh yeah. Yeah, exactly.
So those aren't $1 million?
For you?
Oh, okay. So this is what a faceplate looks like here. They actually modify the gear where you can actually, they weld a lug on. These are called lugs and fingers, whatever you want to call them.
Yep. Yeah, we call that the faceplate itself. So we cut the synchronizer teeth off.
Is that hurt, or is that just the way that gear is?
No, it's not hurt. Those are identification grooves right here.
Got it.
The third, but
We broke a selector. Yes.
You had too many protein shakes that day, huh?
I guess so. Okay, well, do you have these here?
Yeah.
What?
I thought it broke this pin off right here, which
Okay.
I have seen a few times. I've never seen one break like that.
So that's not something that's pretty common. I just kind of muscled it out.
Too many muscle milks.
No, you are amongst the 2%.
he said doing it muscle builds. These are stock.
Stock.
This is not a common
Yeah,
one.
so that's a break. You guys can see that.
Look at this roll pin. It's coiled.
Yep.
More material.
Yep. And he's talking about shop peening one over there? Is that
Yep.
what he said was talking about doing?
Yeah, I'm gonna pop this part real quick, and we are going to shop meet.
Sweet. So you're putting the plate onto the main case, and then we're going to see how much play is in our main shaft.
So shimming is very important for the preload on the bearings.
Yeah, it doesn't
too
move.
little preload, and your bearings are gonna.
This is nice. It looks.
Yep, yep.
It was moving just a little bit ago, but that's like really. You have to shim the main shaft and the the counter shaft and the main shaft. So,
Yep,
like the most
separately.
important part. Yep, separately.
That shift piece that we broke, it pivots to all of these 4 different
Locators?
Z-bars we call it. Yeah, so
Okay.
that pin actually rotates in here
Yeah.
with the interlock there, and when you shift it, the finger is pushing pulling on the Z-bar.
So that's what I broke.
Yep.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Last piece right here, bro. Hell yeah. Right on time too.
Yeah.
There we go. Boom.
This is a faceplated TKX. This is actually the first one we've ever done.
Really?
This one is out of Tom Stark's 55 Chevy wagon. That
Okay.
does a lot of drag and drive stuff.
Okay.
Car makes like over 700 and weighs 4,200 pounds.
Wow.
And we've put no gears in it. It's been on like 5 or 6 race weeks, I think. All the plates still look good.
Wow. So this TKX is, you said it's been on 4 or 5,
Yeah, maybe 5 or 6 probably.
like drag and drives.
Yeah.
Where they go and make a hit and they keep driving.
Yep.
Wow.
So we've had no failures as far as gears or anything like that. We've had a couple little issues, but everything's held up real well.
Dude, that's dope. All right, so we are leaving Liberty with some swag, so I can actually finally wear a different shirt than I have in the last 8 years. And we actually got it all fixed up. Brad and Dave and Don over here at the shop. So Appreciate everything that you guys done in and out. Craig, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate you. We're gonna load it up. I'll start heading back. Guys, you enjoy this sort of content, let me know what you guys think. Liberty's right on par. They're cranking transmissions out, and you know, order yours today. I mean, don't be afraid. Man. Woo! We'll end on that shit. Yeah, that's